Dali, habulin natin. Ano?
Say hi to Tito. Kala ko alam mo yung attending.
Nalito pa. Kasi yung sa kanila iba.
Pag tinanong Coach Mark Coach Mark. Doon na kayo sa ayaw na ayaw pa naman ang pinigil mo siya. Kami inform niya naman tayo na ang dami ng hawak. Sana
okay. Coach Kiko, we're going to say something.
Okay. I'm Francisco Cruz Herrera, the head coach of Crusaders DKD, together with my co-coaches, Coach Eugene, Coach Jesse, Coach Marian, Coach Andre, Coach David, Coach Ian, Coach Jara, Coach Felix, and Coach JL, and Coach Earth. Referee injuries. Please. Competition is to enhance their skills and self-confidence. Okay. The agility, strength, and other abilities will be put on test in today's competition. Meaning to say this competition is a developmental competition for you to be ready for the another level of competition like
Proceed on this match now. Take up now. 1, 2, 3. Lahat ng speaking players.
George Matt.
Joaquin Antonio M. Chen, Angelo Ver Kulig, Miguel Vincent C. Glorioso, Mike Ace L. Martinez. For white belts, Jose Santiago de Guzman, Maria Isabela de Guzman, Adrian C. Harabe.
Hindi ka nakikita ko.
Papapalitan.